Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you how to make tuna egg sauce. This is simple but yet delicious. It's very easy to make. Let's get started. So I'm using peanut oil for this recipe, and of course you can use any oil of your choice. I'll then add in chopped habanero pepper and chopped onion. Stir it and let it cook for some minutes, from 2 to 3 minutes, and then add in the chopped tomatoes. I'll stir this until everything has come together and then add in a little bit of water. The water will help cook the tomatoes. You know the tomatoes has already liquid in it, so do not add in much water, just a little bit of water, and then leave it to cook for some minutes. So I brought mine to a boil, and then I covered it and then let it cook slowly for some minutes. After some minutes, I opened it and then checked it. You do not want it to get burned at the bottom of the pot. So after some minutes, or when it's halfway cooked, close it, check it, stir it, and then close it. So we're going to move to the vegetables. I'm using bell peppers and red onion. I'll chop them into smaller pieces, but you can chop them into anyhow you want it, into chunks or a little bit smaller than this or a little bit bigger than this. This is what I'm going in for. I'll set it aside. By then the tomatoes should be cooked, and then I'll give it a quick stir and add in the rest of the ingredients, which is a little bit of salt and vegetable seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I'll stir this and then add in the canned tuna. So I'm using a lot of tuna here. I added in more. I added in some tuna again because I want chunks and a little and more tuna in this sauce. But depending on how you want it, I'll then add in the vegetables and let it steam for some minutes, and then move to the eggs. I'll stir this, leave it to cook for some minutes, and then move to the eggs. For the eggs, I'm using 4 eggs, depending on the quantity of your sauce. I'll then wait till everything has come together and then add it back to the tuna sauce. Basically, this is it. When you're back from work and you need something delicious but easy to make, just do this. It took less time for making this. I'll wait for some minutes. You do not want to stir it right ahead. Wait for some minutes, because for me, I still want some chunks of eggs in my stew. So I waited for some minutes before putting in the spoon to stir it. Make sure you wait for some minutes before you stir it, and then it will come out great. It will come out delicious. You still have some chunks of eggs in the stew, and guys, this is very delicious. This can be eaten with rice, with cooked yam, cooked potatoes, cooked plantain, ripe plantain, cooked cocoyam, name it, guys. But for today I was craving for rice, so I ate mine with rice and it was so delicious. I hope you're going to try this recipe, and I hope you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and stay blessed.